Yo, what's up guys? Today, we're gonna go play with the owner of the quiet on the front of the Robloxian front. Make sure to play this game. The admin is UberQuest and it will...
No, it's the owner, not the admin.
Huh? We are playing with the admin.
It's not the owner, not the admin.
The owner. I'm sorry. So guys, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Tell me what I should play next. UberQuest is the name of this admin. The owner. Make sure to play this game. Let's go on it.
Let's make this game live.
Hey, what that? What that? Hey.
This game is really good. Let's make, and the owner is really nice. Let's make this game live again.
Yes. Oh, you coming soon? Gosh, and stuff. My man really did a lot of things in this game. Make sure to play this for his support. Step fighting. Ano yung tap? What was that?
Engineering.
What was that? English. Where are you?
Nakita kita kanina sa may puno. Binabalikan, sinusubukan ko ba rin yung puno ngayon?
Okay.
I saw you by the tree.
I need to hide.
Me and the owner is me versus him.
Aray, ano yun? Guys, I am dying here. I do not know what's killing me. I do not know. Please stop with this. I escape.
Natabang ka man ba?
Oh, siyempre. Ano tingin mo? Aray!
Diretso tama sa yun.
Oh, wala akong makita.
Gabi na pakadilim. May artillery po.
Punta ka sa side ko. Sakit. Badabi.
My friend. Disconnect ata ako. Sabihin mo sa... I disconnected. I disconnected.
Ouch. Guys, UberQuest is the owner. He is not hacking. I can even show you. He's my friend, so you cannot see it. I forgot.
Like ako mama. Yan, bro.
Guys, make sure to play this game. What's that? Hey, you. What was that?
I disconnected.
UberQuest is you. Uber bad aiming.
No, Uber food. Uber no amen.
Uber
Ano lang?
no aiming. At English siya, English.
Uber no amen.
Where is Uber no aiming?
What is that?
You, who are you? You, who are you? Haha, la 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 boo boo, you missed again. Beer no aiming. No, not Warfog. Gorfog.
Disconnect ako ng disconnect.
LOL, skill issue.
Tell Uber that I just disconnected. You bigot.
Tep, join ka sa team. Tep, join my team, please.
No.
UberQuest has aiming bot.
No.
Self-bomb! Namatay ko si Uber. Did I kill Uber? Whoa, where am I?
Sorry.
Tabi!
alam mo na napakahirap.
Ano?
Mag-chat ka nga ulit, sabihin mo.
Ano?
Mag-chat, kahit anong word lang. Para malaman ko, okay mo yun.
Guys, we're just finding enemies. I'll pause it until I can see them. I said I would unpause it when I see an enemy, but
Please, mag-team tayo. Asan ka?
bangidi. Yes.
Ay, bumaril sa akin ng sakit. Help!
That is Uber. Uber has aimbot.
No, Uber.
Grenade out. May tao nagtapon sa'yo ng grenade.
Si Uber ata yan.
Nasa trench, nasa bunker. Ako yun eh.
Magka-team tayo eh.
Kaya mo pa din ako.
Andito ako sa may machine gun. Andito ako sa
Dito
bunker
ako sa
ng machine gun.
artillery.
Ah! Fog! Rich, huwag daw mag-shoot ng poison gas. Natatamaan ako.
No, I don't think so. I don't think you are getting hit by poison gas.
Naging pagbarilan na ako dito kay bunker. Oh God.
Before you die, do this. Throw a bomb.
Disconnect pala ko.
Where will this go?
I keep disconnecting.
Yes, because your PC trash.
No! No, I'm not. Guys!
Disconnected. Not my gas. I am at the activity.
Saan kayo? Dito ako sa may bunker. Punta ako sa may bunker.
Nasa activity ako. Tep, ako yung nasa artillery.
sorry.
Kaya pala ako napapatay. Aray! Ouch, that hurt.
Eat ko na yan.
Where are you?
Sa artillery. Sa artillery. Wait!
See you. Oy! You shooting me, oy? Are you shooting me that bad?
I have protection of artillery. I am not committing them.
This is me. You are shooting me.
Magsuot ka ng gas mask mo.
Yes.
Where are your gas mask?
Please wear your gas mask at all times. Tapi inon mo?
Wasn't she?
Ouch! Guys, we are getting beat up by the owner. And the owner said he has aimbot. Yes.
The owner didn't say that, you fuck.
He did say that. Look at the chat.
Oh, he said that. You have been warned. The reason you're gay.
No, I know gay. Bruh.
Ano ka?
Bro
Be
definitely
at the bunker.
has aimbot. I know how his aimbot works. Who you? Hey, who you?
Throw grenades.
Who you? Hands up. Is this you? Is that you? Okay.
We gotta protect the lines. Enter the trenches. Don't let them enter.
Okay, I protect myself.
No. Come here. We stay together.
I died by my own grenade.
Why are you really smart?
Because I'm really smart. Yeah.
Yes. You're really
I smart.
Come here. Come here. We will hold our lines here so they will not enter. So the owner will enter. Oh, your positions! Fire at will!
Hey you, who are you?
And you.
Namatay, did you die?
Hindi, bakit?
Okay, so that was over. Ow, I died.
I keep disconnected! I just fucking memorized.
And word.
We hate you.
I am black.
Same here. Just kidding. I'm actually light skinned.
You white, I black. I do not care. Because I black.
Me no allowed to say N1.
I can say N-word because I'm black.
No, you're not.
I am black.
You're not black. You're a nigga. That was not humor.
Guys, today we're gonna wrap up the video. Adios, amigos, iskabalas!